cover the fact that the new jet has already taken to the skies years ahead of schedule, due in large part to successful digital engineering applications, has generated initial comments of great optimism from service leaders. While details about its stealth configuration, weapons, and mission systems are not yet available, senior Air Force leaders have discussed concepts of operation for the fast-evolving Next-Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) effort. One key concept critical to the program aligns closely with Air Force Secretary Frank Kendall's operational imperatives, strategic concepts, and goals for the force as it advances into future decades. Kendall and other service officials have explained that the idea behind NGAD is to develop the platform as a family of systems, empowered by drones and manned-unmanned teaming technologies. Last fall, at the Air Force Association AFA Symposium, Kendall said the expectation is that NGAD will control as many as 5 or 6 drones from the air at one time. The 6th-generation Loyal Wingman drones, called Combat Collaborative Aircraft (CCA), are already being designed and built as companion support aircraft for the NGAD family of systems. Service leaders are clear that the conceptual intent of the 6th-generation family is to enable attack operations against highly advanced enemy air defenses, aircraft, and weapon systems in what is often called a contested environment. Survivability in high-end, great power wars is the foundation for 6th-generation designs and concepts of operation. We need an aircraft that can perform operations in denied airspace and ensure we have the ability to establish freedom of maneuver, Air Force Acquisition Executive Andrew Hunter said last fall at AFA. We've had successful uncrewed platforms going back decades, but it is challenging to have a platform capable of operating in denied airspace. The prospect of multiple networked CCA working in close coordination with a manned host plane introduces new tactical possibilities, largely because they will be networked to one another, as well as to the NGAD aircraft, performing command and control. Controlling drones from the air will, of course, reduce latency by eliminating the need to send data through a ground station, streamline time-sensitive data, and massively shorten sensor-to-shooter time. It is also possible that the Air Force will engineer 2 distinct variants of the aircraft intended for specific operational environments, such as Europe and the Pacific. A European variant, by contrast, might be designed to be smaller and faster, as the countries on the continent are relatively close together. Certainly, having 2 distinct airframes would align closely with the family of systems concept.